Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 scale racing again. There we got a little 3-car vintage hot rod Christmas editions. Right from 2000. Figure we'll open her up, see what it looked like. Yeah. Just like the Ford Vicky. That looks like the Purple Passion. Got another one here, looks like we don't have a name, just got Hot Wheels logo on it. Yeah, it looks like it's the Sweet 16. Sweet 16. Anyway, I figure I'd open it up and show it to you. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later.